1.2 Unit 12, What They Said, Grammar Student's Book, p. 184. Warm up. Look at these two examples. Note: when we convert direct to reported speech, we use different tenses and modals. Reported speech use: to report what someone has said without using their exact words. I like ice cream. Example: what did he say? He said that he liked ice cream. Change the tense of the verb. Change the pronoun. Direct speech repeats exact words using quotation marks, while reported speech paraphrases them, often changing tenses, pronouns, and time words. The tense of reported speech. When we change direct speech to reported speech, we usually change the verb form to go one tense back. Changing pronouns, personal and possessive. Pronouns change or not, depending on the view of the reporter. I, me, my, he, she, him. Her, his, her, we, you, us, ours. Direct speech. John said, I am waiting. Reported speech. John said that he was waiting. Change the pronoun. Change the tense of HVZA. Time and place changes. It is often necessary to make time and place changes in relation to tense changes. Direct speech. Reported speech. Now, then, today, that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the day before, tomorrow, the following day, the next day, week, month, year, the following day, week, month, year, the following day, week. Simple past, simple present. I eat a lot of sandwiches. What did he say? He said that he ate a lot of sandwiches. Be careful with pronouns. My sister is coming to visit me. What did she say? She said that her sister was coming to visit her. Past progressive, present progressive. I am driving a car at the moment. What did he say? He said that he was driving a car then. Past simple past perfect. I bought a new car last month. What did she say? She said that she had bought a new car the month before. Past perfect present perfect. I have won the competition. What did he say? He said that he had won the competition. Modal will. Would I will go to bed early today. What did he say? He said that he would go to bed early that day. Modal can. Could I can teach English online. What did he say? He said that he could teach English online. General. We use reporting verbs. Ask, want to know, wonder tense, pronoun and possessive adjective, and adverbs of time and place change as in statement. The interrogative form of the verb changes to the affirmative form, plus the question mark is omitted. Reported questions relay what someone asked without quoting them directly. They change question word order to statement order, subject plus verb, remove do, does, did, shift tenses back, and use a full stop, not a question mark. Use if for yes, no questions. One yes, no question. We introduce. Reported yes. No questions with ask plus if the inversion in the direct question changes to statement word order. Are you ready? Example, were, You ready? Example. He asked me if I was ready. Add if change the pronoun, change the tense. He asked me if I was ready. Yes. No questions. Have you ever seen the pyramids? What did he ask? He asked me if I had ever seen the pyramids. Yes, no. Questions. The reported question has no auxiliary do. Do you cook the dinner? She asked me if I cooked the dinner. What did she ask? Haunted house remix open clipper. 2. What questions? Way introduce. Reported what questions with ask plus question. Word where do you study? He asked me where I studied. What did he ask? 21.8%, 34.5%, 32.7%, 10.9%. Change simple past perfect had plus 5 pp. He asked me why I had cooked fish. Why did you cook fish? What did he ask? Change present perfect past perfect. Had plus 5 pp3. How long have you lived in London? She asked me how long I had lived in London. What did she ask? Change will would change can could. She asked me when I would visit her family. When will you visit my family? What did she ask? And changing time place references, for example, here to there, now to then. Key changes include shifting verb tenses one step back, updating pronouns, for example, I to he, she. When converting to reported speech, words must change to reflect a different time, place, or speaker. We use say and tell in both direct and indirect speech. We cannot use say or tell with reported questions. When we tell someone what another person said, we often use the verbs say, tell, or ask. These are called reporting verbs. Choose the correct answer. Denied, proposed, suggested, admitted, warned, announced. Fill in the blanks with the correct option.